Welcome to my channel. My name is Michael Odiba, and my update on 33,000 naira or 33k, approximately that gives about $50 in naira, 3% weekly, 10% monthly. Crazy return over $1,000 has been earned as I speak to you in this video. So guys, if you are new to this channel, what do? You just subscribe to this channel, bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video on programs and platforms that you can actually make money absolutely on the online space. So guys, the bell icon, subscriber button is your friend. It's just simple, just subscribe. You get notified every time I drop a new video. So now let me walk you guys through on this program. My update on the 3k. Validors also offers incentives to every team builder. If you are a team builder in Validors, you are guaranteed an offer that has never been seen before. So you get offered amazing offer as a team builder. Now, number one, what is this amazing team build that we are talking about? One, direct bonus. This is 10% instant bonus of all packages bought by your downline or those you invite through these programs you brought into this platform. So you get 10%. I will explain that in that as we go down. Number two, we have network bonus. Validors gives you 10% bonus of all calculated funds invested in your team at a weaker leg. For those who do affiliate marketing, they understand what I'm trying to say. Meaning if you have $100,000 and the other leg is $200,000 this week, next week you will receive 10%, which is of $100,000, which is $10,000. Then you use your other $100,000 from 200,000. You subtract $100,000 from $200,000. You understand? So the next week, one leg will be zero and the other one will be $100,000. So that is how this network team build works. You understand now? So number three is called team reward bonus. Validor says you can earn more than 500 times of your capital as a team builder. Hence, when you reach 500, you will need to buy a package. That is, if you invest $1,000 and you do 500%, that is about $3,500 at the end of 60 weeks. Now, as a team reward bonus, what happens here? Let's go through this now. So 500 will be package. So your upline will also get the 10% of the renewal. That is, you are going to be renewing your package at every 16 weeks. It's automatic. Your upline will also get you that you come in. You will get 10% again for sustainability and preservation of company. So every time you renew team reward bonus, you get 10% again. Number four, matrix residual. Now this matrix residual is like this. What happened? You will need to purchase $5,000 package and also sponsor a direct team of $15,000. That is when you get this. Now right here you will earn $1 for qualified matrix team member. Also you are qualified to earn max $78,160. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. Matrix residual income. This is crazy. Now, number five, we move to passive. I call this pension. My pension. It's funny, right? Pension. This is it. Passive 30. For every team builder, every 30% of your bonus are kept aside and locked for 13 months, that is 1 year plus, and then given to you back as bonus of 300%. If you do affiliate marketing, you understand, whenever you do affiliate, instead of getting 110%, 100% of whatever you do in your affiliate marketing, they will keep 30% back for you. At the end of 13 weeks, that is 1 year, you will get 300% back to yourself. Man, this is crazy. Now they have rank reward. Let's go there. Left and right leg of a volume, that is the first rank of a volume, gives you $50. It's called Jude. That is it. So 20 on your left, $20 on your left, that is the first rank. Now the second one is Sapphire. $20 on your left and 20 and right gives you Apple Watch. That is $20,000. $20,000 on your right. There's the Apple Watch is called Sapphire. $80,000 on the right and left gets you rank 3. Rank 3 coach is Ruby. $80,000 total volume sales. Total volume sales. So you understand what I'm saying now? This is supposed to be 20k. This is supposed to be, sorry, there's a error typing text there. So it gives you Ruby. An Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max will be what will be given to you as reward here if you do $80,000 on the left and right sales. Now you have number 4, which is $250,000 on the right and left. You get expensive paid trip to abroad, and it's called Emperor. Expensive paid trip. When you have 2 Emperor, one in your left and right, you get Rolex, and it's called Diamond. That is how to get to Diamond. When you have 2 Diamond at your left and right, you get a BMW 3 Series. It's called Blue Diamond. When you have 1 Blue Diamond on your left and right, 2 Blue Diamond on your left, you get Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's called Black Diamond at that time. 8. When you have 2 Black Diamond on your left and right, on your right you get a Lamborghini, and it's called Crown Diamond. That is where this is all stops for ranking. Now to become a member, you have to buy an educational package. That is what it's called. 50, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, 300, $3,000, 5,000, 10,000. That is their package, and their package is 8. Each of these educational package grant you access to royal reward. What they give you is called royal reward, meaning for any package you buy, you get 2 to 3% of that package every week. You understand? 2 to 3% of that package every week. So if you buy any of these packages, you get 2 to 3% every week. Preciously, every Monday is paid. Every Monday you get paid. Now this royal reward can be made in 2 forms. Either you withdraw it weekly for 60 weeks, or you leave it compound for 60 weeks, and at the end of it you get 350% reward. Now this is what where I will go to show you testimony now. I just want to leave this exchange rate at this very moment at this $600 for $1 naira. So but it's more than that depending the exchange you are buying from. If you do 33, every week you get 900, every month you get 4,000 naira. That's $6 and thereabout. Then for the total 60 weeks you get 105,000, that is $170 at this small package. At this small package, never depend on a single income. Validors embrace your dream of financial growth. Now this is what I'm saying about this $50. 33k. You can see this one. Now she said she has made 100. You can see what she made. Lifetime earning $118. Ma, in a space of 1 month. This is 1 month. See how far my $50, did you see it, has gone. I'm serious. I'm seriously taking this serious. Oh, thank you for making sure I do this. You see why you need to be part of this. So this your 33k you are seeing here. 33k can fetch you a lot of money. That is one testimony. Okay, you can see this person just signed up as I'm doing this video just yesterday night. This person just signed up with $50. You can see team network, total reward point, nothing there, just started as a fresh account. So that is it. You can see this one is $723 from 33k account. Next one. This is not one person's account. I'm showing you account because I can see my own. Oh, my $50 don't turn to 250. That now like how much? I do not even buy any package. You see, $50, 33k. That is about 150k. Super proud of you. Let's go and make more money. This is one testimony. And you can see if you put this together, 250, 720, and then 118, you will know that this is a reality. I tell you, this is a reality that is going to happen to you that is watching this video. So guys, $33,050 is all you need to get on board here, and you are good to go. Now this is another testimony again. Me seeing everyone is sending their screenshot. I need to show you my good morning Vidos. Thank God I did not say no. This is $328. I made about 200k already with my 33k. You see the testimony. Me where they shy. You see. You see what she's saying. She that is shy, but she has made 200k just from 33k. So that is it. So if you are new to this channel, there's a link in this video to get on board on this platform. That is over $1,000 and in 1 month. You can do the same. I have done a video telling you I have a package for you, my WhatsApp marketing sales for 15,000 naira. Let me pause the video and show you guys my WhatsApp marketing. So to become a member, to join our team, this is my WhatsApp course that cost 15k. WhatsApp marketing secret. Digital World Pro Academy is the one behind this. Is going to get you free. You are going to get this course for free. It's not something I'm not using it. It's something you will get for free. How to actually make use of this course and make money for yourself. So you are going to get this course from me for free when you activate with your 33,000 naira. So it's just like a free gift we are giving you on this platform. So guys, this is what you get when you come on board. The link to get on board is in the description of this video. This is my WhatsApp number. You can see my WhatsApp number here. You can reach out to me if you watch this video and you think it is something you can do. Getting this course alone is amazing. I'm telling you, it's amazing. So guys, I'm very happy. If you are new here, cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, and then the link to get on board is going to be in the description of this video. To get to me, my WhatsApp number is on this channel. I have a link there. You can reach out to me anytime. And again, if you want to get every information I drop on this channel, just click like, subscribe to this channel, and then thank you for watching. See you in the next video guys. Bye.